Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Welcome back to the channel and stay home, stay safe. Today let us discuss about package practices of Blackgram. Before going to discuss about package practices of the Blackgram, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel, like, share and don't forget to click on the bell icon for the more updates about the crops. Coming to the introduction, Vignamungo. Blackgram is also having the scientific name as Vignamungo and common name as Urdbin. Vignamungo is an important pulse crop overall the India, and it is playing a major role in the India, and it is grown of about 3 million hectares in India, and the annual production of Urdbin will be 1.3 million tons. And in the area, the total it accounts for the 13%, and about the production it shows 10% in India, and it is mainly used as a dal and in preparation of many dishes in our diet. And the southern parts of the country it is used in the preparation of some of the dishes, and some of the dishes like vada, dosa, it is very rich in protein containing of about 25% protein in its seed. Let's see about the nutritive value of the black gram. Let us see the protein. Protein is containing of 24% in the black gram, and we have the fat in the black gram content 1.4%, and minerals content in the black gram is 3.5%, and fiber 0.9%. Carbohydrates, you can see it is having 59.6% of carbohydrates, and 154 mg per 100 grams calcium. And phosphorus, it is having phosphorus also in the good amount, 385 milligrams per 100 gram, and iron 9.1 milligram per 100 grams. Calorific value is about 347 kilocalorie per 100 grams. These are the nutritive values of the black gram, and you can observe the moisture content of the black gram will be of 10 to 10.9% of the moisture content present in the black gram. Climate, we have seen some of the points like Kharif, Rabi and soil. Let us see about soil. What are the points of the soil? Which soil is suitable for the black gram? And black gram can be grown in variety of soils ranging from sandy soils to heavy cotton soils. And the moisture, the most ideal soil is well drained loamy soil. Loamy soil, well drained loam of pH which is maintaining of 6.5 to 7.8, it is the most suitable for the black gram cultivation. The black gram cannot be grown on alkaline and saline soils, and the pH should be of 6.5 to 7.8. The land is prepared like any other Kharif season pulse crop. It is a pulse crop, and however during summer it requires through thorough preparation to give pulverization free from stubbles and weeds completely. First, the land and where the soil should be pulverized, which should be free from the stubbles and the weeds completely in the soil. Let's see next varieties. What are the varieties and which are they suitable for which diseases, and resistant varieties which are suitable for the different diseases. For the powdery mildew, we have the resistant variety of LBG 17 which is suitable for the Rabi. In southern zone, we have LBG 17 which is suitable in the Rabi season, which is resistant variety of powdery mildew, and varieties of PDU1 and Marsh 414 are suitable for the spring season. Use of resistant varieties is recommended as follows. Some of the resistant varieties for the yellow mosaic viruses resistant varieties are Pant U19, Pant U30, Sarla, Jawahar Urdu 2, Teja LBG 20, ADT 84. These are the resistant varieties for the yellow mosaic viruses. And let us see about some of the powdery mildew resistant varieties like TAU2 and IPU0243. These are the varieties of the earth bean or black gram, which is resistant varieties to the powdery mildew. And some of the stem fly resistant varieties are KBG 5512 and Cercospora leaf spot resistant varieties are Jawahar Ud 2, Jawahar Ud 3. See about some of the important points like seed treatment and also seed rate and sowing. What is the seed treatment? Seed treatment should be taken at 200 grams plus phosphorus soluble bacteria 250 grams per kg of seeds. Seed treatment should be given at with carbendazim of 1 gram and thiram of 1.5 gram per kg of seeds. And this seed treatment will help for the growth of the black gram. And green gram, black gram under intensive cropping should be treated with the carbofuran. These are some of the treatments should be given for the seed. Carbofuran 1 week before rhizobium treatment against the root knot and the reniform nematode which are seen in the black gram. So care should be taken and seed treatment should be given for the crop to grow healthier and fruitfully. And seed rate and sowing are the optimum sowing time is at June. The Kharif season will be starting at June to July. So the optimum sowing time will be mid-June subject to the availability of moisture or rainfall. The seed rate will be of 15 kg to 20 kg per hectare for Kharif and 25 to 30 kg per hectare for spring or the Rabi season. The row to row distance is 30 to 35 cm for Kharif and 25 cm for the Rabi or spring. These are some of the seed treatment and seed rate spacing. And coming to the fertilizer dose. So some of the fertilizer doses are NPK 20-40-20 kg per hectare along with the 20 kg sulfur per hectare greatly increases yield of pulses, also benefit for the succeeding crop. If we have the fertilizers for the black gram and increases the crop yield, it will also increases the nutrient efficiency in the soil for the succeeding crop also. And some of the micronutrients like zinc is also the most important and most deficient nutrient. So the application of zinc at the 25 kg per hectare as basal gives very promising results. So zinc should be given to the fertilizer dose of the black gram. And the boron and molybdenum gives better results in the acidic soil. And for the foliar spray, 2% of DAP and 2% of KCl or a pre-flowering stage enhances. Let us see about some of the intercultural operations in the black gram. Some of the intercultural operations like controlling the weeds with 2 to 3 weeks not only prevents the drawn of nutrients from the soil but also conserves the moisture and helps in quick growth and development. For every crop, the conservation of the moisture should be maintained for the development of the crop. Line sowing will facilitate the weeding operations between the lines. Line sowing is best for the black gram where weeding and hoeing can be done easily. Weeding and hoeing are followed and 25 to 30 days after sowing. Here you can see the chemical herbicides like pendimethylium or metachlor at 1 to 1.5 kg per hectare are found very effective at post-emergence stages black gram. Let us see about the irrigation. Some of the package of practices including black gram or irrigation in the black gram or irrigation in the pulse crop of Rabi and pre-Rabi seasons, we should give irrigation for the soil moisture conditions. The critical stage for the irrigation purposes is flowering and pod development stage. This is the most important for the crop growth. The plant protection. Plant protection, we should control the insects like yellow mosaic viruses and should apply the folate in the soil before at sowing of 1 kg per hectare is required. And the major disease or yellow mosaic. So we should have the control, we should maintain the control in the crop. Pod borer also will be seen, and aphids, white flies can be seen. So pod borer we should spray of triazophos or monocrotophos. For aphids, spray methyl demothon, or whitefly spray crop with imidacloprid. These are the some of the concentrations should be taken for the pod borer, aphids and whiteflies. Let us see about some of the points related to the harvesting, threshing and storage, the main important stages, and for the yield purposes also. The oats should be harvested at 70 to 80% pods mature. Every crop they should be harvested at 70 to 80% of the maturity of the pods. After the 70% of 80% of maturity, we can harvest the pods where it turns to the black color. Over maturity may result in shattering. If the pods are over matured, the pods for the sunlight or for the less moisture condition, it will be shattering. So there will be difficulty in the harvesting of the black gram. So it should be harvested at 70 to 80% of the mature parts. Harvested crop should be dried on the threshing floor for few days, then threshed. The threshing can be done either manually or trampling under the feet of bullocks. The clean seed should be sun-dried for 3 to 4 days to bring their moisture content at 8 to 10% to safely store in appropriate bins. For this storage, we should maintain the seed moisture condition so that it will come for the longer shelf life period. A well-managed crop of wood may produce to 12 to 15 quintals grain per hectare. Let us see about the recommendations which are to be achieved for the higher production of the black gram. First, we should maintain the deep summer plowing once in 3 years. The seed treatment should be done before sowing for the further growth and yield. For more yield, application of fertilizers should be based on the soil test value. First, we should do soil test, and after that, we can apply the fertilizers for the better growth. In the Kharif season, sowing should be done by ridge and furrow method, so that the for irrigation, for the weeding and all other cultural practices, it will be easy. And yellow mosaic resistant tolerant varieties should be taken care and should be grown in the crop field. IPU 94-1, Uttara, Shekhar, Ujjwala, VBN, BG7, Pratap, Urdhwan, etc. chosen as per suitability to a region. Weed control is the main necessary for all the crops, where it should be done at the right time. For the 2 to 3 times of the crop duration period, weeding should be done, and not after the maturity of the crop. Care should be taken for the crop for the more uh, achievement of the yield, and should these all practices should be followed for the cultural practices and package practices of the black gram. These are some of the cultural practices. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon